Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June the 27th, 2024, and I'm going to be planting some zinnia seedlings out today. Now these are the early bird variety. They are one of the earliest blooming variety of zinnias that I know of. There are some others, but I'm going to get these transplanted here today. This is about a 12-inch container. It's a barrel container, and I'm going to be putting 3 plants in it. So these are dwarf ones, so they are shorter. And these are some seedlings that I started in the greenhouse as a later crop. Just kind of get these out here. See the beautiful root systems that these have. And these were started, I think I actually started them this month. I had an issue with some of my other ones. I got a bad batch of seed starting mix, and I didn't know it. And I honestly thought that I was going to lose all of my zinnias that I planted earlier because they were really looking bad. But we got them transplanted out into our landscaper's fabric, and they are doing much better. Now you don't want to disturb the roots of your zinnias, because what will happen is your first flowers can actually revert back to singles. So I'm not just trying not to disturb the roots on them. There we go. I have this one here left, and I have some other ones left in the greenhouse. So we're going to get this watered here. And I'm going to water this till water runs out the bottom. Your zinnias grow best in full sun with well-drained soil. These can be prone to powdery mildew, so you want to watch out for that. See this one here, we're going to put this down just a little bit deeper here. There we go. And you can grow your zinnias from cuttings, so you can bury these down a little bit deeper, and they will put roots off of their stems. You want to plant your zinnias out after the danger of frost. Now, I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so our danger of frost is after Mother's Day. And you know what? I'm just going to put this last one in right here because it looks a little empty. They will fill out, but still, I want a nice full container here. Get this out of here. There we go. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. There we go. And that's going to be a nice full container. I'll just have to water it a little bit more. when the plants start getting larger. I'm going to water this till water runs out the bottom. Put this in full sun. And have a nice, pretty planter when these start blooming. And you do kind of have to fill in sometimes, because when you water your soil, it will shrink down on you. So I'm going to add just a little bit more soil here. Just a little bit more water. And we're done. So when this starts blooming, I'll come back and I'll show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells us to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!